Hey, I wanted to take a moment and acknowledge you. You showed up for yourself. You made it through the Real Talk reset, and that matters. Listen, I don't care if you didn't do everything perfectly. I don't care if you missed a weekly meeting, ignored some Voxer alerts, or if that book and companion workbook are still sitting untouched somewhere. That's not what this was about. What matters is that you stayed. You kept showing up for yourself even when it was messy, even when life got in the way. Even when you didn't have it all together, that's the real work. Here's what really matters moving forward: what you do next. Not what you didn't do during the reset, but what small habit you choose to keep practicing. Not perfection, but consistency. Not doing everything, but doing something. You've learned tools. You've been exposed to ideas. You've started building awareness. And now you just keep going. One small habit at a time, one realistic choice at a time, one day at a time. You don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to keep showing up for yourself. And you've already proven that you can do that. So, congratulations, not for being perfect, but for being here. That's what counts. So, as we're getting closer to wrapping up the Real Talk reset, I want to talk honestly with you about what happens next. Here's what I've noticed over the years. For most people, the hardest part isn't actually starting. It's continuing once the structure of a program ends and you're back out there on your own. Some of you are going to take what you've learned here and keep moving forward solo. And honestly, that's a win. But others, and maybe you're one of them, want ongoing support without having to do another reset or jump straight into one-on-one care. And that's exactly why I created the Real Talk Continuum. The Real Talk Continuum is an ongoing membership built around habit stacking and NEAT. We focus on small, realistic behaviors and daily movement that actually fit into real life, not the extreme stuff that sounds amazing but doesn't last past week 2. We meet once a month as a group to dive into a specific topic and work through real situations. You can submit questions ahead of time, and here's something I love. If members request topics outside the scheduled month, I'll record short trainings so those questions still get addressed. You're not left hanging. Beyond the monthly calls, you'll also get access to additional trainings and courses as they're released, plus things like meal plans, recipes, habit trackers, templates, and other resources, even fitness information to help you keep building momentum between meetings. Now, this space welcomes all kinds of people: folks using GLP-1s, people post-bariatric surgery, people navigating midlife or menopause, and people focused on general nutrition. And just like in the reset, we're not here to debate which approach is right. We're here to support consistency and help you keep going. Let me also explain the pricing clearly, because I want you to know exactly what you're looking at. The founding member price is $197 for the entire year. When you break that down, it's about $16 and change per month. That's literally less than the cost of a single fast food meal. Programs offering this kind of ongoing support, they often run thousands of dollars a year. I intentionally chose a group-based model so support could stay accessible, especially for those of you whose insurance doesn't cover ongoing sessions or who has already run out. Here's the reality: this founding price won't last. As the membership grows, the price will increase, likely double or even triple. But founding members, you'll always keep your rate. Always. Oh, and members also get Voxer access for one message per week. So if you need a quick check-in or have a question between meetings, that option's there for you. Just to be clear, this isn't one-on-one coaching, but if you do want deeper individual care down the road, that's always available separately, and members get a discounted rate if insurance doesn't cover it. So here's the bottom line. If you want a place to stay connected and keep building without starting over every few months, the Real Talk Continuum was literally created for you. And if it's not a right fit, that's okay too. You're still leaving this reset with solid tools you can keep using.